It's a crazy little waterfall right there. Can you see it? It goes from right there all the way down to about there, which I'm sure it goes down further, but I don't know. I don't want to get that close. But look how tiny those trees are up there and up there. I'll just put my finger through my body. Now you can't see me. You can't see me now, can ya? You can't see me now. Shh. Shh. Do you hear that bird? Do you hear that bird? Hold on. Here it goes again. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. I heard it. I heard it. I definitely heard it. This tree. So beautiful. I'm so excited to get to close to this such a wild thing. It's great. Alright. Well mate, I got to go now. But we can talk later. Okay. Just also wanted to let you know you can save a bunch of money on your car insurance by switching to Geico. Yeah. Okay. Good day.